kind of interact with this line here. And then I'm gonna look for the next red, you know, which is way down here, but it's just, I'm just gonna do this as an example. So the quickest way to do it is, you know, look where the green and the red interact and kind of stop. I'm not drawing out. Let me draw this one. So, you know, on a monthly view, and then I'm gonna come down and I'll always look at, you know, 2 weeks. I want to see the 2 week time period. Then I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna draw another support and resistance line here. I'm gonna get the top. You always want to get the tops, and then here's another one here. This is kind of like where this red stop. So this would be support. This would be resistance. The top line here. So all right. So I've done that, and then I go down to a week. And so now when you see I'm going down a week, the lines are already starting to add up. The lines are already in place. And so there's nothing new for me to draw here. I mean, because I've already had resistance, support. So pretty much have that. So then I go down 3 days. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. But see, those lines on the month, they've already added up. They already here. So that support and resistance that I drawn is holding true on different time frames. It held true on the month, the 2 weeks, the 1 week, the 3 day. You know, everything is holding true. Then I'm gonna come down to the 1 day. And so the 1 day, it shows me that we're in a downtrend, right? For Bitcoin. So what I'm gonna do on a 1 day is I'm gonna draw, you know, where the support line here. Then I'm gonna say an intermediate support line